how to send document for e-signature in PandaDoc. So first, go to your account and then just click on create new here at the top left. From here, you can either upload your file, create a new one from scratch using this one, or just choose one of the templates here. So let's say I'm going to choose the blank document here, click on it. And then from here, you can just add your document name. So I'll just add test here and then add your recipient. So I'll just click on create new recipient. I'll just type in this name here and then I'll just type in testemail@gmail.com. okay, and then the number, I'll just add 0 here and then just click on create. Okay, now just click on continue. Okay, now you have a blank document. So what you can do is just customize your document and then make sure that you're going to add this signature field here. So just drag it and then make sure it has something like this. Okay, you can also make it bigger. So let's say you're done customizing your template or your document and then you have all of the details in it. You can just click on send here at the top and then click on email, text, SMS. Okay, now from there you can just click on continue. Okay, now you can also add your email message from here and then just click on send document and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.